I'm going to talk a little bit how I've set up my Google Drive, which I use for storage. So this is my personal drive. I have one that's separate for my job, so that has a lot more of my lesson plans, homeworks, tests, all that stuff. So here's just some of the basic stuff, but I do have it organized by, I have, Lake Central's where I teach, so anything for Lake Central I do on my personal computer I put in there. I have stuff from my old job at St. Joe, just documents, stuff from my desktop, just silly personal stuff I don't know where to put. Scanned stuff, I scan in a lot of documents for different things, and then just from my old computer. So what I'm going to go through and show you is that I have here this document that I did for one of the other assignments for this course. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new folder and I'm going to put that in there. So what you need to do first is you go over to New and you create folder. I'm going to title this one Purdue Grad School. I'm going to create that here. And then next, what I'm going to do is you can just drag that right into your folder of whatever you want it to be in. So when I click this, and there you go, I have one of my documents. So not only can you pull stuff from Drive, once you're in the folder, you can, oops, I'm sorry, clicked a little too fast. You can click New and do a file upload. So on my computer, I have some of the things that we've done in grad school so far. So I wrote a paper, a response on scenarios of plagiarism. So I'll just open that and add that to this folder here. So I can do as many documents as I want. One thing that's really great about Google is that it has unlimited storage. So since I know I have a couple things here, I can go like this and highlight over all of this stuff. Since I know that was all for grad school. One thing I'm going to be prompted is I already uploaded this, so you could just say update existing so that you don't have two of the same documents. So one thing that is really nice about Google Drive, and I'm sure other storage sites are the same way, but I have Gmail, so everything is just connected and so easy to use. But since now I've put all my Purdue stuff into this folder, what I can do now is if I'm at work and I'm on my plan period and I want to get going a little bit on it, maybe a discussion post or something, and say I saved it on my computer at home, I can just access this at work and open it up and continue working on what I need to do, and it will update on this end. So that's really awesome. One thing too that is cool is you can share this. So if I know, hey, I'm doing this right now on my personal email, I know that I'm going to want to easily access this at work. What I can do is I can share it with my work email and send it right on over. So once you open up your email for whoever you shared it to, it says, hey, you've been shared a folder on Google Drive. So that's really cool. And that's actually how at work we share all of our classwork and everything with each other is on Drive. So that's really neat.